Hello, learners. Today, you will be participating in an engaging experience to enhance knowledge on internet safety. It's by Google, and it's called Interland. This journey will help you understand how to safely explore the internet. As you proceed through the steps, remember to stop and jot what you learned along the way. Be prepared to share your knowledge. Let's look at the program. Interland is a digital adventure in which you will explore ways to use the internet safely. You will use the arrow keys to move throughout the adventures. Read each quest's adventure. Earn points to increase levels. Look for ways to deny hackers, sink phishers, one-up cyberbullies, outsmart oversharers. Be a fearless explorer. It's time to be internet awesome. Use this link to begin your quest. And don't forget to rank your overall experience. 1, internet awesome. 2, internet great. 3, internet okay. Make sure to explain your thinking. Don't forget to check out the resources. Be internet awesome. Great job, everybody.